Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is International Islamic University, Islamabad Schools, Sahiwal campus. Science grade 5, Euro number 6, lecture number 5, exercise. Students, write all the bookwork questions on book and copybook on your science homework notebooks and additional questions on your classwork notebooks. Page number 64. Question number 1. Look and label the states of the water. So here you have 3 states of water and you have to label these. Question number 2. What happened to water when you do the following? So you have to read these 4 states on the page number 64 and write that what happens to the water when you do the following changes. Question number 3. How can you measure solids and liquids? So you have to write the method by which you can measure the solids and liquids. Lesson number 1. Read and circle an instrument to measure mass, then underline what the tool does. So on the page number 65, you have to read the paragraph of about mass and then underline the instrument or circle the instrument to measure mass and then underline the tool function. Question number 3. Read and underline the metric units that are used to measure the mass. So in the question number 3, you have to underline the metric units. Question number 4, look at the picture and answer the questions. So in the question number 4, you have to look at the picture on page number 66 and solve it. Question number 5, calculate the volume of the objects in the table. So on the page number 67, you have a table in which 3 objects are given and their height, length and width is also given. So you can solve it by the formula given on the page number 67. That is, volume is equals to length into width into height, and then you can calculate the volume of the objects. Question number 6. Will the volume of a wooden cube change if you cut the cube in half? So you have to write the answer that whether it is changed or not. Question number 7. Read and underline the 2 metric units used to measure the volume. So on the page number 68, you have volume of liquids and solids. So in this paragraph, you can underline the 2 metric units. Question number 8. Look at the picture, calculate the volume of the wall. So again, by looking the picture on the page number 68, you can calculate the volume of the ball. Lesson number 2. Question number 1. Read and circle true and false. Correct the false statement. So you have to choose whether the statement is true or false, and if the statement is false, you have to correct it. Question number 2. How many different ingredients can you see in the mixer? So on the page number 69, you have a picture above the question number 2. So you can write that how many different ingredients you can see in this picture. Question number 3. Read, why is it easy to separate the parts of a mixer? So by reading separating mixers, you can write its answer more correctly. Question number 4. What mixers do you separate or make? Question number 5. Read, use your own words to express the process of evaporation and condensation. So on the page number 70, here are 2 processes. The first one is evaporation and the condensation are given, and these are also elaborated by the example. So you have to read it and rewrite them in your own words. Question number 6. Look and complete the statements. On the page number 70, you have 3 statements. You have to look at these pictures and complete these statements. Question number 7. Read which substances is the solvent, which substance is the solvent and which one is the solute. So on the page number 71, definition of solvent and solute are given. So you can read it and then label as the whether which substance is solvent and the one which is solute. Lesson number 2. Question number 8. Read and underline 2 ways to make the solute dissolve more quickly. So on the page number 71, you can read the processes and you can underline them. Question number 9. How can you make chocolate powder dissolve more quickly? So you have to write the answer of this question. Lesson number 3. Question number 1. Read, underline 2 changes matter can undergo. So you have to underline the 2 changes that matter can undergo. Question number 2. Discuss the change of the lump of clay in the picture. So what sort of changes happened over here in the page number 72 with the lump of clay? So you have to write it. Question number 3. Are the changes in the picture related to the size, shape or state of matter? So you have to write that whether it is a size change, is it a shape or is it a state of matter change. Question number 4. If you soak a paper in the water, would it be a physical change or not? So you have to discuss that whether it is a physical change or not. Question number 5. Read and complete the statements. So you have to complete these 5 statements by reading chemical changes topic on the page number 73. Question number 6. Write PC for the physical change or CC for the chemical change. So look at the pictures and think about it, that whether it is a physical change or chemical change, and then write respective answer to the pictures. So okay students, this is your unit number 6 having 3 lessons. So you have to solve these questions which I have discussed with you. So you have a Word file attached in the last lecture of this unit number 6. So you can take help from this Word file and you can solve these questions as explained earlier. Okay students, this is end of the lesson. Allah Hafiz.